dear aspirants, as we all know, from 5th June, RRB NTPC exam will start. For this purpose, we are launching a 20 days GKGS series. Each day we will cover a set of questions which will be important for the upcoming exam. Today is the day 1 of 20 days series. A printable PDF will be uploaded on the Telegram channel and the joining link is given in the description in this video. So without delay, let's start. So our first question is, who was the first president of independent India? Options are Lord Mountbatten, Chakraborty Rajagopalachari, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And the answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which state has the longest coastline in India? Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat. Gujarat is the answer. Which of the following is a landlocked country? Myanmar, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. The answer is Bhutan. In which year was the Simon Commission appointed? 1927, 1925, 1930, 1919. Answer is 1927. Who is the current CEO of Niti Aayog as of 2025? Parameswaran Iyer, B.V.R. Subramaniam, Amitabh Kant, Sindhusri Kollar. B.V.R. Subramaniam. What is the code name of India's first solar mission launched by ISRO? Gaganayan, PSLV C61, Aditya L1, Nishar. Aditya L1 as we all know. Next is, which organ in the human body produces insulin? Liver, pancreas, kidney, lungs. Answer is pancreas. Which article deals with the right to equality? Article 14, Article 19, Article 21, Article 25. And the answer is Article 14. Who introduced the doctrine of lapse? Lord Wellesley, Lord Curzon, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Hastings. Answer is Lord Dalhousie. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai. Bangalore. Which gas is used in balloons to make them float? Oxygen, hydrogen, helium, carbon dioxide. And helium is the answer. When was the Planning Commission of India established? 1947, 1950, 1949, 1951. And 1950 is the answer. The unit of electric current is volt, ampere, ohm, watt. Answer is ampere. Which Mughal emperor built the Buland Darwaja? Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Babur. Akbar. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose. Jawaharlal Nehru is the answer. Which article of the Constitution deals with the emergency provisions? 356, 370, 352, 368. 352. Which of these languages is a classical but not scheduled in Constitution? Sanskrit, Tamil, Pali, Telugu. And Pali is the answer. Which Indian personality is known as Missile Man of India? Vikram Sarabhai, APJ Abdul Kalam, Homi Bhabha, C.V. Raman. And APJ Abdul Kalam is the answer. What is the minimum age for becoming the Prime Minister of India? 21, 25, 30, 35. And 25 is the answer. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? C.V. Raman, Mother Teresa, Rabindranath Tagore, Amartya Sen. Rabindranath Tagore is the answer. When did India become a republic? 1947, 1950, 1948, 1952. 1950 is the answer. The term doldrums is associated with trade winds, cyclones, equatorial calm, monsoon. The answer is equatorial calm. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? Seahorse, river dolphin, crocodile, whale. And river dolphin is the answer. What is the base year for GDP calculation in India as of 2025? And the options are 2011 to 12, 2009 to 10, 2010 to 11, 2013 to 14. And the answer is 2011 to 12. In which year was GST implemented in India? 2015, 2016, 2017, and 2018. And the correct answer is 2017. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering in it? Retina, iris, lens, cornea. And the answer is iris. Which constitutional amendment act lowered the voting age from 21 to 18? 58th Amendment Act, 60th, 61st, 66th Amendment Act. And the answer is 61st Amendment Act. Which 5-year plan was based on Mahalanobis model? First, second, third, fourth. The answer is second. Who gave the slogan Inqilab Jindabad? Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And we all know answer Bhagat Singh. Which is the deepest landlocked and saltwater lake in the world? Dead Sea, Caspian Sea, Aral Sea, Great Salt Lake. Answer is Caspian Sea. Who was the founder of Maurya Empire? Ashoka, Bindusar, Chandragupta Maurya, Harshavardhan. The answer is Chandragupta Maurya. What is the SI unit of pressure? Joule, Pascal, Newton, Watt. Answer is Pascal. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? Lord Mountbatten, Chakrabarti Rajagopalachari, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And the answer is Lord Mountbatten. Who was the last Governor General of independent India? Lord Mountbatten, Chakrabarti Rajagopalachari, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And the answer is Chakrabarti Rajagopalachari. What is the maximum strength of Lok Sabha? 545, 552, 530, 550. And the answer is 552. Who appoints the Chief Minister of a state? President, Chief Justice, Prime Minister, Governor. The answer is Governor. Which part of the Constitution contains the fundamental rights? Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, Part 5. The answer is Part 3. Which tax is considered as an indirect tax? And the options are income tax, corporate tax, GST, wealth tax. The correct option is GST. Who was the 51st Chief Justice of India? D.Y. Chandrachud, Sanjeev Khanna, Uday Amesh, Lalit Bhushan Gawai. The correct option is Sanjeev Khanna. Which day is celebrated as National Science Day in India? February 28, January 15, March 22, April 5. Answer is February 28. So aspirants, this is it for today. Stay with this channel for the rest of the series. Don't forget to comment what was your score in this set. See you in next video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant updates.